To use the adding text function in Yink PPF Software V5.6, click on Text. In the pop-up dialog box, enter the text you want to add. Adjust the font, text size, and spacing as needed. Click on Get Position. Click on a blank area of the canvas to set the position. Click OK to complete the creation. If the text size does not meet your requirements, first, select the text. Click on Group. Use the Scale tool to enlarge or reduce the size. Ensure proportional scaling. Once the enlargement or reduction is complete, the operation is complete.